friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about an important AI tool which is especially for writing and it is available for free. So let us go on to today's video and explore how that AI tool can be useful for our research article preparation and what are the options and templates available in that particular AI tool. So let us go on to today's video and discuss that. So the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Freewriter AI. So here you can see Freewriter AI is a tool that helps you to write without overthinking, just pure output. The AI takes care of grammar, spelling and fluency. So let us check out how it will works out, whether it will generate a proper content or not. So let us go on to the dashboard of that particular Freewriter AI. So after you log in through your Gmail ID, you will be getting a dashboard like this here. So here you can see different options. So just type and let the AI form coherent sentences. So this is free writing option. So here you can see, you can select the language here and you can see the tone of that particular sentence which is to be generated. So here you can give formal or informal, like that you can give. So other than that, what are the important options can be used using this tool is that email generator, tweet generator, next pickup line, freestyle modeling. So it is a testing site where you can write only now for free. So let us check out that. Start free writing emails, essays or just your thoughts. They will form clear and beautiful sentence, 100% privacy by default, no data stored. So let us check. I am going to give general prompt that explain about renewable energy. So like that I am going to give a normal prompt. So let us see how it will generate content. So it is not a chat GPT like chatbot. So here you have to give some input here. So input content here. What I am going to do is I am going to copy and paste a particular sentence, a paragraph. So here I am going to select a paragraph, copy in this Freewriter AI, give that formal. So select your language English and then click on convert. So here you can see that is the rewritten content which is grammatically right is shown here, the violet color you can see here. So here how it will changes the performance of PV system categorized. Here you can see the input we are given as the output of PV system which are categorized. So like that we have given. So it will change the sentences and also it will make that sentence grammatically right. So this is a fantastic option. You can check grammatically for free. So many tools are check for grammar check, it will be charged, or you have to go for any subscription option for up to more than 2000 characters or like that. So this writer is for free, where you can check grammar for a big essay or a big research paper also. So here you can copy this content and you can make use of this option to that is, you can copy and paste in your research article and you can use this grammatically correct sentences in your research paper. So this is a fantastic option where you can use this Freewriter AI. Another tool what we are going to discuss today is that autowriter. So it's a free writer which will just that is, you can correct your sentences only. So this is a AI tool called autowriter. So here you can see different options in this autowriter. So these are the different options, especially for writing. So you can see content rephraser, long form content. So and then you can create blog ideas, blog intro, blog outline, etc. So next related with social media, next one with websites and email tools, next sales, brainstorming tools, name generator, etc. So here you can click and you can use you can copy and paste a text. Here you can select the tone of that particular text, where you can rephrase the text easily. For example, I am going to copy and paste a sentence. So here just I am going to copy and paste a simple sentence here. So You can select tone here. I am going to give professional and then click on generate. So it will take several seconds to generate the content rephraser. Here you will be getting 4 different options for that rephrased content. That is 4 different rephrased content you will be getting for one text. So you can make use of this option to paraphrase or rephrase your sentences using this auto writer. Next one, you can see here it is a blog outline. So you can click on your blog title. So I am going to just giving a title. So this is the example how you have to give blog title and description. So here you can give so you can see our AI can take up to 30 seconds. So you will be getting a fantastic outline for that blog. So section 1 installation, section 2 charging your battery, section 3 metering for battery charging. So like that. So I have just here for example I have given. So thereby you can give perfect description of that blog. That is you can use it for your research article outline also. And you can generate better output that is outline for your research article. So as far as this auto writer for writing purpose, so you can use this rephrase option and then blog ideas option, and you can content rephraser. So you can see here bullet point expander. So like that you can make use of this option. So you will be having around 20 credits for free. So up to for that you can use for free that auto writer. After that you have to go for subscription in this auto writer. And you can also see brainstorming tools, name product, name generator. So you can make use of this option to generate name for your product also. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.